Hey traders, it's Steve with the Stock Index Trading Room. And in this brief presentation, I'm going to try to hold this to 6 or 7 minutes. I want to promote an event that we're having Thursday, February the 11th at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the US, and we're going to cover a new idea in our ongoing work with advanced patterns and order flow that lead price. We have a new signal to share with you. I'm going to introduce that to you right now and show you what this work looks like, and if that interests you, give you an opportunity to register and come and join us for that. If you've never read this, please pause the video and do so and come back and join us when you're finished. The new signal, the exciting thing for us in the room is always to find new things that meet the stringent reward to risk demands that we have on our signals and ideas that we share with the members in the Stock Index Trading Room. One of my missions is to continue to work to provide new ideas, things that we might not have thought of, or different combinations that give our members a superior advantage in their trading. We have a new signal. We're calling it the Colorful Phantom. And we'll go over that in detail on Thursday, but I'm going to show you what that is. And the reason that we're going to go over it in detail on Thursday is we believe this: when you know the why, the how is easy. So the last thing is I have something. I can't remember being this excited about anything in a couple of years. Some of you know about my love affair with Smart Trapped Trader Oscillator and Rob Mitchell's World Cup Trading Champion. Developed and coded it to read increasing and decreasing levels of order flow within a very small area of market structure. Now, one of the two tenets that we preach continuously to our members is price follows order flow. It can be no other way. So if we have a way to read order flow, then we have a pretty good chance over time of being in front of price more often than not, and that's fun. And then what I'm going to show you is that we can get a market in a stalled or congested area, and we now can identify highly likely breakout direction before it breaks out, which is really a huge advantage. And Thursday, I'm going to go over in detail about it. My members don't even they don't even know about this yet. We're gonna introduce it in the room on Monday the 8th and work on it with them. But Thursday, we're going to share this with you, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. Here again, our events on Thursday. If you want to register, send me an email, support@stockindextradingroom.com, and we'll get that link to you. You can register. I will tell you this: our events fill up. Rob has a huge following, and we're basically, trading what Rob traded to become a World Cup trading champion, and our members are enjoying that. Briefly, I'm going to go over our new signal. Our combo signal, actually everything we do combines things now. This was the first thing we did that combined it in, put indicators together. And what we have here is Trapped Trader Oscillator being undervalued. You can notice in a trend, good place to buy, good place to buy. We'll see about that. Good place to buy. Counter trend, sell it a little bit, not much, not so much, not so much, not so much. So we have a lot of ways to identify whether we want to buy these or to sell these. Okay. Smart price band continuing to cycle up is one, but here we simply have undervalued Trapped Trader Oscillator, great place to buy. Green cyan smart price band, great place to trade reversal bars, reversal bars, reversal bars. 90 or so % chance of getting the market to head in our direction from here. And of course, you can see this one took off. Now we have I'm going to show you the second thing in a minute after we cover this signal. And we have a breakout. We have a breakout signal right here. And in the middle of this congestion, it's breaking out, and we don't have any indication that it's going down. So we would never be on the wrong side of that. Now, the colorful phantom is simply this. Cyan, smart price band for colorful. We would only sell red and buy cyan. And these little hash marks that look very random throughout the chart, they're incredible. It's called Smart Super Trend. And what you'll see is that we have, in this case, this little red continuation on, red SST on this continuation bar. These are 4 ticks in nature. And so this is printed and prices all the way down here looks red, and then it starts reversing, reversing, reversing. It works back up through this. When a reversal bar works up through this bar right beside it, it's very powerful. Here's a red one that goes down. Here's a green one that goes up. Here's a green one that goes up. But we can get on the wrong side. See, here's a red one that doesn't work. And when the market is really trending strong, we can get 3 or 4 of these that don't work, and that's not the end of the world. But what we miss is that we're on the wrong side of huge moves, and we don't like to do that. So we use filters or qualifiers to get us in trend. Now the difference is Trapped Trader Oscillator is not anywhere near undervalued. This tells me internally there's more strength within the structure to go up than the last, actually the combo signal that I gave you. It is a very, it's a very powerful, very nice signal. And I did a month study on that for you, and you can see whether you're scalping for 1, trading for 2, holding for 4 points, which is all this simplifies is can we get north of break even taking more than we give? And here you can see we can. Tremendous advantage. Whether you wanted to be in and out a lot, I wanted to trade. This is a high probability, very profitable trade for 2 points, or you want to hang on to it a little bit longer. This is for the whole month of basically the trading month in the first couple of days in February. This is this new signal, the colorful phantom. And we're going to go over that in detail on Thursday. Now, I promised you, I'm going to show you something that we get a breakout signal here on this bar, which is in the middle of this. We would rather have it on the right side. Which we get one here, and we get one all the way over on the right side of this, and then we had one right here. And I'll show you that, show you what that looks like. I'm going to move this out of the way. What we have here is just a template that signals this new idea, okay? And of course the green would signal going up and buy. The red would signal going down. Market opens over here, and you can see even on the open, it's just chopping around. But even in this counter trend or this trap, if you follow our work, you know that our belief is the first move in the ES is a trap. And then if we get back and start to expand above the open, that the market will continue in that direction for at least an hour and a half. And we talk about that in the room all the time. But anyway, here's the breakout that I showed you, that first area in the middle of this structure. I would rather have it over here on this one, pow, over here on this one, pow. So what we have is we have congested areas, and then we're getting breakout signals, often on the right side of that, up, 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 up. And then here's the combo signal, and here's the signal that I told you. So when we do this, there's no ambiguity about anything. Signal's a signal. It is what it is. So here's that congested area. There's the first green racing stripe, the second green racing stripe. We had one here as a continuation, and then the breakout, and then breakout for continuation. And again, you see that up, up, up. So if this looks like it's interesting to you and you'd like more detailed information, email support@psychonextradingroom.com, and we'll get you a registration link. Please register early because we do fill up. And then if you want more information or want to come and join us before then, stockindextradingroom.com. Thursday, February the 11th at 4:30, advanced patterns and order flow that lead price. So on behalf of World Cup trading champion Rob Mitchell, I'm Steve from the Stock Index Trading Room. We look forward to seeing you in the room soon.